we need to take action to bring up decent children. So the E wey dey for the respect come be say empowerment of women, because when woman dey empowered, e go dey help man for house. But if the woman no come get wetin e dey do, trouble go come out na. Only man no fit carry the problem for the house. So women empowerment is very, very important towards prevention of gender-based violence. So that those days, even if the woman no go school, you wey be man, find small money hustle come give the woman, make dey sell something. And woman, when they give you that money, manage am well, make you for fit take dey support the home. So women empowerment is very important. Providing women and girls with education, economic opportunities, leadership role, and decision making power is very important. You know, say for politics, different areas, make we no dey put women for ground. Make women dey part of decision making. Make women be part of economic generation. All na to strengthen the home. All this one I go end gender-based violence. These are issues, root causes when dey fuel gender-based violence. Now you and women and our governor say make we come tell us, make we attack so that the world will be a better place. E come be say, okay, we don talk of E, women, empowerment of women. S talked about service ensuring access to quality habits, the psychosocial, legal, and social services for survivors of violence. We come our PS come tell us just now about the SAC Center, one-stop shop for GBV issues. If any issue, apart from the SAC Center, we get Ministry of Justice, they dey here. We get NGOs, they dey here. And then we, when we community leaders now, we still there. Our kings, our chiefs, they still there. So when there is issue of GBV, of any form of domestic violence or any form of gender-based violence, we will not keep quiet. We will speak out to these people, because these services, they are available. Not yes, they are not get one wanted. They are available. Then poverty reduced. When economic empowerment, livelihood support, and community resources that reduce financial vulnerability, if all those things stay in place, you know, say issues go still reduce, challenges of GBV go still reduce. Like as I mentioned that first time, you understand? If your daughter, your pikin come finish school, you know, which day we dey read, pikin kill papa, pikin kill mama. As the pikin finish school and you get work wey you dey do, this help go support that pikin. Even if you never get work, support that pikin, make himself dey do something, so that the home go dey peaceful. Your pikin you dey do, you still dey serving, but your pikin don finish school, you no get work. You won't let am dey sit down for house, only you want to waka. The pikin sef go dey stressed. So the home should be at peace with everybody, doing something to reduce poverty. Then of course, the E stands for environment made safe. Government dey do their best, me and you go still do our best. We should create safe homes, workplaces, schools, and public spaces. Make every community, every home, every local government, every community safe for the people. If there is issue of violence, let's speak out. Then the C means child and adolescent abuse prevented. Pikin when they follow you, they still dey abuse them. Protecting children from early marriage, sexual exploitation, and all forms of abuse is what we need to make sure exists for them to be for this GBV prevention. If that pikin, if you when they marry, you dey take out your pikin well, and you count the number of children wey you suppose to born, no born say na general born as you fit take care of. If you no born the number wey you fit take care of, go for hospital. Primary health care dey, go tell them for family planning, so that you no go born too plenty when you go come hard you to train. By the time you dey do that one, you go get the number wey you go fit bring up well. Then you go see and say you go bring up decent children. So all these measures now to prevent gender-based violence and give us a more secure community. Then the thing when they say I come talk about transform attitudes beliefs and norms, changing harmful social norms, stereotypes, and cultural practices that normalizes violence. Because my papa and my mama, they beat my papa and my mama, they always dey fight. My papa dey always dey beat my mama, na normal thing. Not the normal thing. You know understand? So because the pikin don dey grow up, dey see say papa dey beat mama. You know understand? You get to, e no normal. We get to stop am. And if we need us to stop, police sef dey with us for this matter. All of us, all government, how many government hands na dey for this issue? So all of us must make sure say all those normal things wey we think say dem dey normal, dem dey wrong. Una just go for na video, na just. So all those normal things wey we dey talk, dem no dey normal. So protecting children from early marriage, train your pikin reach as at least make e go school finish before you push am make e go marry. Because if you just push that 13 years 15 years pikin make e go marry, wetin e go dey do for the marriage now? No understand. So we get to protect our children, take care of our children, bring up quality children. I don mention the full respect word. Anybody go fit tell me wetin arrow stand for? Yes, wetin arrow stand for? Because looking at our class participation we won. Yes, we not remember. Okay, I wan mention that. Thank you, mommy. God bless you. Relationship. Another person. Tell me another one. Another person. Tell me another one.
Service and show.
Thank you. Another person. Tell me another one. That was talk about na PP. Property reduced. So if you don't know that, for me we know that now. This was a key activities, key action when we go to prevent GBV as the same we call tell. So environment made safe, and the key for the respect. Then the next one as we said child and adolescent abuse prevented. And that come talk about all those issues when concern pikin. Then the T come talk about transform attitudes, beliefs and norms. One major belief wey we still dey do for our road land be this issue of onyale. Onyale oyale government fit give you bobi yonle agbeyale lete make sure your buy yaba. But ikwe go shi wo. Onyale oyale oyi female circumcision. For economic gain be there. Only about Kaleyo, Kalekani be the Ashebi go Yaberi. Okay, the government left to be known where you are west or water. Okay, if government is you beyond Abeyamote. So circumcision is one very negative formal norm. Then another thing is the obnoxious widow practices. Now arranging for and property grabbing. How shall I go? I'm putting on nation. I don't know brother man tell brother nation. I am for Robert. I am not young man now. How you see property grabbing is obnoxious widowhood cultural practice. But as we are here now, we are already advocates. By attending this program, you are already a champion. You are already a community champion. Because of the way the ministry yala, having the UN women yala, but we champion. Whether Nopo who is trying to do any of these wrong things, you speak out. And whether many power will tell you, you reach out to your king, and your king will reach out to our commissioner, because it's a serious offense. Property grabbing, obnoxious people who practice. And you know, one of the cannot go to a deep way. I don't put in your money. You can go to okay, I'll look at one and knock it one and then thinking of a rally. Now, in next shape, Papa government to give you a good law. You and I part of this obnoxious, these things we're talking about as gender-based violence. What people are cautious, why lawful? I am to China. Yeah, well, that nobody. I now come when I'm done. I come back with it. Well, I hear what was a church and look. What can abandon your China? What can we yaga Joannashi or gender-based violence? Because Oshana, okay, that is obnoxious, that is bad attitude. wickedness. And women should not be like that. Women should take so in our project, we have already moved through key activities like community mapping and baseline assessment, stakeholders engagement, training and capacity building, community action plan development, ongoing community engagement, like this one now. What we do now? We expect to see when you finish for your next town hall meeting, for your community meeting, you go raise your hand. Tell them say we go this meeting. When you and women and Ministry of Women Affairs talk say when we attend, the person when we still tell you now hot tell larger audience. When you tell them, you go send report from you. Commissioner or director of gender, any of them for women affairs, any of us when you get the number, you go send number come. We go the work go they go on. So another thing again, working with our general rulers as custodians of culture and key influencers in changing harmful norms. The harmful norms they're plenty. You go there, they see them. They dey for your front for here. So what is then? If you're going to link this one to 16 days of activism, you know say my mommy here wear yellow dress, me I wear yellow cap, orange dress and orange cap. Wetin this thing called symbolize? This is on the 25th of November till 10th of December. Many of us want the active. We even come in our community. You know say we call our women, they come for our men, they want engage activism. Wetin we dey do? We dey raise awareness on all forms of GBV. We dey promote advocacy and community action. We dey demand accountability. We dey strengthen prevention efforts. We dey support survival and reduce stigma. And wetin we dey call us now? Make all of us do am together. Make all of us do am together. Make we create awareness together. Make we support survival. If you bin come, say this person just dey abuse you. No just be say why you no get short skirt? Na im dey abuse you. People wey get contract when people dey abuse now, dem still get short skirt. No understand? So make we survival training. When we find out who do you this thing.
I dey see for free office now. I need their method.
For community.
Yes.
So because this thing for this year come talk about digital violence. You know say many of us dey use social media, but that was one of them in addition to all the one we dey talk see. So how the respect framework and 16 days activism come dey connected? So both focus on prevention, not just respond. Responding, when we say make we speak out, na responding. But we see say respect, talk about the foundation, the key, the thing when they cause gender-based, the root causes of gender-based violence. Then we say make we address. So both promote community ownership of GBV solutions, both highlight the importance of changing norms, both involve empowering women and young people, both rely on collaboration between community members, leaders, stakeholders, and institutions. As we talked about before, all of us together, and go fit fight this fight. So the final call when I get for us today, when government get for all of us today, they say as we gather for years so, make we let us reaffirm our commitment to ending all forms of violence. Make we all support survivors. Make we all challenge harmful cultural practices. Make we all use both the respect framework and the 16 days activism take do wetin take transform our communities. So as I dey end this my presentation, we go stand up. We all go make one simple commitment. Una go stand up now because na the reason why we come here, number one reason. Second one, my sister go come still talk am. We go raise our hand up. We go raise our hand up. You know, say I talk am before, so all of us na champion now. All of us na ambassadors. You go raise your hand up. You go affirm. Wetin you wan affirm? My commitment. Talk am. My commitment to ending all forms of gender-based violence in my own community. So help me God. Make we clap for ourselves. Thank you very much.
Una do. Shebi we understand wetin she talk, abi? And we don make commitment. E be like when you stand for church, husband and wife, you come say with this I dey wed. Shebi na covenant be that. If your hand be covenant, na you don enter so. Say if you hear about gender-based violence, no be you go talk say, talk quiet, no let people hear, na wetin e mean be that o, abi? Say if you hear about am, say make we settle, make the matter end. Now the commitment wey you don make be that o, no be so. So we wan say our community no go hear issue of gender-based violence again. We have made our commitment, abi? Shebi we don make our commitment. God will help us in the name of Jesus.
Amen.